Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to make pictures move on Kinemaster. So with no further ado, let's start. First is you have to make sure that you have updated your Kinemaster application, and if it's updated, you can now proceed to our tutorial. So what you have to do is to open the application, and as you can see here, I've actually already chosen a video. So what we want to do is to add a picture and make it move. So on the right side, you will see media, audio, record, and layer. So click on layer, and in the topmost, you will see media. Click on that and choose the image that you want to use. So let's say I want to use this one. So what you have to do is to move this image. So we have to click on that image. So here you could actually adjust it, rotate it, and I just want to put it in that way. So on the right side, you will see the menu bar for that image, and you will see in animation and overall animation. So you click on overall animation, and you could choose your motion or movement for that video. Let's say ring or floating or drifting, squishing, rain, and counter clockwise. So let's check. And that's it. That's how you make pictures move on Kinemaster. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you for watching.